Hey everybody, this is Super Fan Ben. It's good to be back. I am back for the second week in a row because yet again Creed is going to the well one too many times. They have another fragrance with the word Viking in it. If you missed last week, I personally called Coach Ditka and he confirmed that a maximum of 4 out of 5 sprays can be allotted for any fragrance on earth that has reference to a team in the NFC North other than the Bears. Last week it was called Viking. This week it's Viking Cologne. I'm not sure it can get any worse, but you people appreciated my talk and you reached out and let me know that apparently there is a fragrance called Laliki Porhomi that has a lion embossed on the bottle. So as you can imagine, I'm saying right now, maximum 4 out of 5 sprays for Laliki Porhomi just because it has a lion embossed on the bottle. Finally, I want to put all rumors to rest when it comes to SpongeBob. SpongeBob fragrance, check it out on Fragrantica, it exists. SpongeBob fragrance actually has him on it, and he looks to me like a piece of cheese. He looks a little too close to me to a piece of cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and say right here, right now, guilt by association, because if you look like a piece of cheese, it's too close to the pack for me. So SpongeBob fragrance, maximum 4 out of 5, guilt by association. So I don't know, quite frankly, if I will be back. So if you'd like to follow me on my socials, please do that. Follow me at SuperFanBen, and I can be found at MySpace, AngelBook, Firespace, InstaTweet, Snapgram, Pinify, and of course, the TikTok. Kathy, do we have the password for the TikTok? It says attempt number 1 denied. Oh, for crying out. Attempt denied. What's the password? Okay. Attempt number 2 denied. For crying. It says denied again. What's the damn password? Oh. It says attempt number 3 denied. Reset password due to too many attempts. Absolutely ludicrous. You know what the easy thing is to do? Go down to Ditka's Steakhouse if you want to get a hold of me during happy hour, and I'm always on stool number 2. You can ask Brenda. I'm always on stool number 2, and if somebody sits in my spot, she will go over and say, no, that's for Super Fan Ben. And they move. So I will be on stool number 2, and I always have one of 3 jerseys on. Number 1, as you can imagine, the soon-to-be Super Bowl champs, Justin Fields jersey of the Bears. The second one is the Hungarian Michael Jordan himself, the Bulls, Cornell David. And finally, my prized possession, which could only be the 1990s Hawks jersey of Sergei Krivokrasov. And Krivokrasov himself autographed it. So, it's very easy. Stool number 2, Ditka's Steakhouse, happy hour, Justin Fields, Cornell David, Bulls, or Sergei Krivokrasov, the Hawks. Peace out, my dude.